Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the local plug standard and matching that to your travel adapter. Once done, verify each device's voltage range, 110 to 240 volts, and confirm the adapter's wattage or amp rating exceeds your device. Now inspect the adapter for damaged pins or loose parts and set the correct plug module or push out the right pin assembly. Make sure to switch off or unplug devices first. This prevents arcs and lets you seat the connector firmly before powering anything. Next, insert and lock the adapter's plug module until it clicks. A loose fit causes heat and intermittent power. Then connect your device plug, matching ground pins if present. Grounding reduces shock risk. Once connected, secure any retention clips or thumb screws so the plug won't wiggle. If your adapter has a fuse or surge protector, make sure it's installed and rated appropriately for laptops or chargers. For high-power appliances, check terminal tightness and avoid daisy-chaining multiple adapters. Finally, plug the adapter into the wall and power your device on while watching for unusual heat, smell, or sparking. These are immediate signs to disconnect. Test device function and watch the adapter for stable connection. When finished, turn off the device, then unplug the adapter by gripping its body. Never yank the cord. If the device won't power, swap sockets, check the adapter fuse or reset any built-in switch, and try a known good charger. A single blown fuse often explains a sudden failure.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.